in Epic Games account. In this video, I will guide you step by step on how you can update your age in Epic Games account. First of all, open up your web browser and go to epicgames.com. Sign into your account. Once logged in, click on Support in the top left, then select Explore Topics and click Account. Click Show All Tools and here select Contact Us. In the support chat, type your issue, which is I accidentally entered an incorrect date of birth. My actual birth date is, and then enter your date of birth. If needed, upload proof of age. Hit send and the support agent will assist you. If you don't get a reply from the chat, you can email support at help@epicgames.com. Use the same message as above and wait for their response. That's all for this video. If you found it useful, make sure to hit the like button and subscribe for more videos like this.